Tired of fumbling with keys? The Yamiry Keypad smart door knob lock promises keyless entry and enhanced security, but can it deliver? Let's dive in. This electronic code knob is designed for front doors and boasts easy installation. Yamiry claims it can be set up in under 15 minutes with just a screwdriver. That's a bold claim, but the straightforward design suggests it's achievable for most DIYers. Security is paramount, and the Yamiry lock seems to take it seriously. It's constructed from aluminum alloy and features a backlit keypad, a low battery indicator, and an anti-prying user code. The IP54 weather resistance rating is a welcome addition, offering protection against the elements. The keypad allows for 20 different user codes, perfect for families. The option to set a one-time code for guests is a convenient touch. And for those who still prefer a traditional method, a key is included as a backup. It's a duplicable key, which is good for convenience, but something to keep in mind regarding overall security. One of the standout features is the auto-locking function. Users can set the lock to automatically engage after a period of 5 to 99 seconds. Alternatively, the auto-lock can be disabled entirely, keeping the door unlocked when needed. This flexibility is a definite plus. Yamiry offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 1-year product coverage, and lifetime after-sales support. This level of support inspires confidence in the product's reliability. The dimensions are compact, at 5.62 x 2.7 x 3 inches. The aluminum material gives it a solid feel without being overly bulky. Overall, the Yamiry Keypad smart door knob lock appears to be a well-rounded keyless entry solution. The easy installation, multiple access options, and security features make it a compelling choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their front door security. While the duplicable key presents a minor security consideration, the benefits of keyless entry and the added convenience of auto-locking outweigh the drawbacks. It's a solid contender in the smart lock market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.